Hello again, I'm Rick Bavec with Tolaris Homes, and welcome back to the home we've been building for several months now in North Orlando. This particular home, we're almost ready for a rough framing inspection, but I wanted to show you how we do this at Tolaris Homes. We'll box in any of these arched openings. It just gives you so much more massing, and it makes the house feel so much more richer, like a custom home. This little gold piece of wood here, layers and layers and layers of pieces of wood with laminate and high pressure glued and pressured together. It creates a super strong micro lam beam. Other details in this home are some ceiling details that we've got planned in the ceiling there, those 1x6 boards with the wires coming out. Those will be beams, and they'll have LED lights inside the beams in this giant tray ceiling. Over in the dining room, we have a tray ceiling, and also if you look close you'll see a crisscross pattern that we'll be doing out of beams and drywall. That's kind of what's happening here at this house with framing. We're going to come back and show you some rough plumbing, maybe some rough HVAC, and maybe some low voltage. So stay tuned to Tolaris TV. Check us out. If you have a home you want us to build for you, or you need a major renovation or remodeling, please give us a call. Check us out on our Facebook page, our Instagram, or go to our website, tolarishomes.com. Tolaris TV is available for you all the time. Thanks for watching.